Alrighty guys, I'm going to shoot some of this, go through and shoot some of this ammo. You don't always shoot now right there. Now, I'm not going to do this all in one shot. I'll just do different videos for everyone right there. We got Geco, which I'm going to start off with right here. And they used to make Geco, it came in a rifle, and you could also get the match right there. They sold it at Roll King. It was cheap. It's good ammo. It's made by RWS Norma. There, we got some cellular below. Standard, cellular below club, PMC Zapper, BBM, that stands for Battle-Born Munitions. Got some Federal range target practice here, some Cascade, some Winchester Supermax, Federal American Eagle right there. I know we got more here right there. I gotta look for them right there. I know I got CI is another brand I got. I think I got some Federal Lightning too, but we're going to start off with the last of the Geco I had. I only have 15 rounds. So we're going to be shooting at 50 yards to see what it does right there. Got 7 rounds in the Brigera B14R. It's got Arc and Scope, Trigger Tech trigger in there. Then we're going to put 8 rounds with the Tika T1X Arc and Scope, and it's got a Jart trigger in it. So it's shooting all the way down 50 yards there. Let me pause you here and we'll get set up. Alright guys, now this Geco is a lead round nose and 40 grain, but it does tell me feet per second on it on the box. So I got the Brigera up here first. I'm going to shoot those at those 2 dots down below there first. So let's see what the old Geco lasts. I love this stuff. So we'll do that first orange sticky there. The same hole, jeez. I tell you what, I come up 2 clicks and we'll go left a couple clicks. Let's go for that next sticky. Had to give me another breath. Maybe I went down a couple clicks, I don't know. Jeez, all of a sudden now that looked bad. Jacked one out. The magazine here. Last of the Geco. No, it ain't the last. I still got some in the Tika, but there we go. And there's just need more fouling in there. I only just shot. Well, you see the first 2 right there. She's pretty daggone good. Let me swap over this gun and grab the Tika here. Get all adjusted up for it. Where am I at here? Okay. Okay, I put 3 in this first target here. Didn't think that ejected there. Went over and hit my hanky. Now a hot day here. Got a hanky over there, wipe the sweat off. Do the same hole. Good, it's gonna nick sticky to the right there. I'm getting a little more adjusted here. Might go down notch on bipod here, see what that looks like. There, that's a little better. Okay, target on the right. Told you that stuff shot good. What do you guys say, Cal? I think the beer a little more, done a little more seasoned up with it. Grounds right there, but that's a nice little group right there from Geco right there. Yeah, it's Geco. Like I say, this is the rifle, and they also had the match. And I looked for it. This online stuff can't find it anymore right there. But it was cheap at the time at Rural King right there. Too bad. And now I think they kind of pressed the Norma ammo. So let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.